What is up, guys? I'm just gonna say it. My nails are probably gonna be distracting today because they are in the worst shape of their life. I'm gonna get my stuff together next week, but not this week. But when this video goes up, it will be next week. So just know by like Wednesday, my life will be back together and my nails will be looking a little better. Okay, guys, so today's video, hello, welcome to my channel. Welcome, my darling. Today we are going to Target and I'm also getting Botox. I'm also getting Botox on Monday. So like everything is going to be different. But I'm filming now. It's a Friday night, baby. Anyways, we're going to Target. We're going to see what's new in drugstore makeup. I was doing so good at getting all the new drugstore makeup. And I feel like I've been slacking a little bit. So we're going back to Target. And I mean, technically I already went. I'm going to insert the footage. But I've had a lot of new stuff. And I cannot wait to try it out. Oh my God. Be sure and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Subscribe. Okay, guys, let's jump right into the video. Zoom in. Okay, guys, I am in the Target makeup section. You guys are too familiar with this on my channel. I have nothing so far, but they have the holiday sets, which look really cute. Okay, so I just found this Dreamland palette. I wish they would put these in unit curtains because you know people be lifting this, but this one looks pretty dandy. I'm kind of tempted to try this Dreamland palette out. They also have a lot of other palettes though, so it's like, I don't know what to, oh my gosh, look at these. What is this? What is this? $10. $10. That's a pretty good deal. And then we have, it's like this brand. I tried out their foundation. These. Oh my. Oh, I am definitely trying this out from Physicians Formula. I really like their face products, and it looks like they have some palettes for the holidays. Oh, that looks so nice. But see what I mean? Swatched. Okay, I'm in the NYX section. It looks like we have a new brow pencil, which I think I'm gonna go for trying out. Precision brow pencil. Yeah, I've never tried this, so we're gonna try out some new NYX today. Hey guys, so besides toothpaste, we will not be trying that out in the video. We have a bunch of different items to try out. I'm really excited to try these brushes out. They look really interesting. And now we're going to buy a bunch of stuff we don't need. Every time we come to Target, we get the Target pizza. Actually, it's pizza, but it's the little pizzas at Target. They're so good. All right, for our first product, we're going to be trying out today. So I bought these skin boosters. This is the vitamin shot from Physicians Formula. I'm pretty sure this is like a little skincare product. I want to try it out, so I'm just going to rub it in. I was looking for a brush to be all fancy and rub it in, but that's just not what's going to happen today. I'm just going to use my hands. I'm not going to be playing games. Ooh, it's so nice feeling. It's so nice feeling. You know what I should do in today's video? I think we're going to have a challenge. You guys watching are going to be able to judge and see if I'm able to do it. I was watching back on my videos and I say the word like way too much. Today's video, I'm going to try to not say the word like throughout the video, but we're starting now. So anything else I said in the beginning, that does not count. I'm going to consciously try not to say the word like. Let's start now. Whew, I can do this. For foundation, I got the CoverGirl Full Spectrum. This is the Matte Ambition All Day Shine Free Foundation. I got the shade Medium Cool number 3. They had a bunch of shades there. And also something else I got is this Eco Tools brush. So it kind of looks like an artiste brush, but it has like a kabuki top to it. It's a very interesting brush to me. Why is this not pumping? Oh, look, you gotta turn it. Gosh, not saying the L word is like, it's like on my mind to not say it. By the way, those drops feel like a very minty cooling sensation, if that makes sense, and I'm feeling it through here. Maybe it's tightening my pores. I don't know. Okay, here I go. So nice. Look at this messy bun back here. This brush. Okay, first of all, the shade is orange. This is the shade, again, Medium Cool. This is not cool. This is warm, honey. This is hot fire. Okay. Blending it in. First of all, the brush. It's very, very dense, so it's interesting. But this has zero coverage. Ma'am, I don't know why. I guess it doesn't say it's supposed to have a ton of coverage, but I guess I kind of thought it would, and it doesn't have any coverage. So let's just keep blending it in and see what happens. The brush is interesting. It's borderline a little hard, but I think it's just something I would have to get used to, but it feels like incredible. Oh, I said the L word, Lord. It feels incredibly soft on my face. Let me just keep trying. I ain't giving up. I ain't giving her. Gosh, you guys are gonna be like, you said it 82 times, idiot. Kind of look like I got a little bit of a sunburn in a weird way. So I am shook at the amount of coverage that it doesn't have. I mean, it's almost like I said the L word. But it seems kinda as if it's a BB cream, like a tinted moisturizer. I'm just struggling really hard with that word. Do you see what I mean? Whenever I realized I said it a lot, I was like, for concealer, I got the full spectrum concealer to go with the foundation. This one I picked up in light medium. Even though light medium, it did look, oh my God, this looks so dark. What in the heck is going on with the shades, guys? If you go get this in the shades, you need to just go bump up a shade because I'm putting orange under my eyes right now, like an orangier color. I might have to tap in with another concealer so I don't look crazy. But I'm gonna take the smaller EcoTools brush, and these are really cool brushes. My face is looking a little cuckoo. I'm digging the brushes. I think overall the brushes are something I have to get used to, but I think they're a win. Like, I like them. Okay, I'm so sorry to do this, but I'm gonna have to put like a little bit of this milk concealer because my under eyes are orange, and my face, I want this look to be like a pretty drugstore look, and we are not on that pathway. And it's my fault. I thought light medium would not be that color. I don't know what the dealio was. I really enjoy this specific concealer one. It's pretty good. Here is the wrapper from the brightening concealer. Light medium neutral is the shade that I bought it in. That did not look like medium neutral. Maybe I'm crazy. I am crazy. I don't know. But for powder, I'm going to be using the Hydra Perfect powder from L'Oreal. I discovered this not too long ago, and you guys were like, girl, we been knew about that powder. It's so good. So I'm taking actually an EcoTool sponge. This video is not sponsored by EcoTools. I just happen to like their products a lot. And I'm just dabbing this product on, really baking, and this is going to help take us a little bit brighter since we had the little boo-boo with the shade. The foundation is growing on me. Oh, it's a little patchy right there. What's going on? What's going on? Yeah, so this is more like a BB cream in my overall review. It's pretty, it is really matte. If you see my forehead, it looks really matte, but it's like a very matte BB cream. And if you're in the market for something like this, I really think you would enjoy it. If you want more coverage, this might not be your best friend. I found the cutest thing at Target. Look at these little palettes. They're so cute. Oh my God. These are the Physician Formula. These are the little mini holiday palettes. And this one I liked a lot because it has blush, bronzer, and a highlight. And then this one is specifically a highlighter palette. It is tiny. The shades are small, but I thought these were really cute. I want to try out this gold shade right here. But first, I want to go in with the Butter Bronzer, which you guys know is one of my favorite drugstore bronzers. Heather. Ooh. Okay, here we go. It smells like, I said like, it smells as if it farted coconuts. There we go. It smells as if I farted coconuts. And I enjoy that scent. I'm also going to go ahead and tap some on. And I always hit my jawline with a little bit of bronzer. So now I'm going to wipe away the excess powder here. I'll just blend a little more just for fun. Now I'm going to take this e.l.f. brush and I'm going to grab the middle blush shade out of this palette. Oh, it's very pigmented. And it has shimmer in it, just FYI, but so it might enhance the pores a little bit. But I do like, it's a pretty blush. Now for highlighter, I'm going to go into the highlight palette and I'm going to go in with the golden shade. It looks super nice. Ooh. All right. We are just a bronzy, glowing girl. So now I'm going to go back in with a little bit of that powder. You guys know I do this. I do it every time. I can't resist. All right, time has set. I will dust this away. Look at it, just an eraser. It just gives a little bit of a cleaner look right there. Such an easy little trick. You can even buff it in a little bit, soften that edge. Okay, let's do our eyebrows because I picked up a new product and I can't wait to try it out. Where is it? It's gone. Guys, I picked up the new NYX brow pencil. I bought it. It had to have fallen out. So I'm devastated. It's nowhere to be found. I'm so sad. I bought that brow pencil, the new one from NYX. I was so excited to try it out. But since we're at the drugstore, I'll use my favorite drugstore brow product, the Maybelline Brow Tattoo. Meow! Come here, buddies. Come here. Mom will let you in. My sweet boy. Look at my big boy. Oh my God, I love you so much. Oh, he's a spoiled kitty. Oh my gosh, look, I have a little cat here to join me. Kitties make me so happy. Oh, he left. He left. He doesn't love me. What can I say? Will you stop it? Okay, Maybelline Brow Tattoo. Here we go. I told you guys next week I get my life together. I'm getting a facial. I'm getting Botox. I'm getting my nails done, my toes done, and I'm getting my brows done. It is all happening next week, so just hang tight with me. We will get through this week together. For the brow product I do have, I have Wonderful Brow by Rimmel. I'm going to be trying out. This is like a tinted brow fiber gel situation. Kind of like Gimme Brow by Benefit. Boo, you're interrupting the video. You know that? Yeah, you're being a diva. You are being a diva. You. For eyeshadow, I picked up this palette, Color Outside the Lines. It took me a minute to read, but... Ooh, hello. There she goes. This is what the palette looks like. I thought it was so pretty. It actually kind of reminds me of the Huda Nudes palette, but I still thought it was really pretty, and I wanted to try to do a little look with it. This is the brand that is by, I don't want to mispronounce it, but yes. They had a ton of their palettes. It's like all their holiday palettes are by this brand this year, and they're on the end cap, so I just picked this one up. I thought it was really pretty. I kind of want to do a softer glam look today. I feel like I've been playing with a little bit of color. I mean, a little crazy, cut creasy lately, so today I want to create kind of a softer look since we have this pretty softer palette. I'm going to take Spirited, which is a nice taupey brown color. Okay, so I'm taking Spirited, and I'm just going to blend that in the crease. This is going to be our transition shade. Shimmer in this palette is so pretty. I kind of want to play with that. Now I'm going to go in with Joyful, which is a little bit of a warmer matte brown, and I'm using the same R39 brush, and I am just going to blend this in to deepen that crease a little bit. Going to deepen her up. Now these colors seem to be blending super nice. I don't think this palette is 100% as pigmented as the Huda one, but my God, it is so nice for the price, because I believe I paid $10 for this palette, so it's incredible for $10, and so far so good. Okay, now I want to put this shimmery shade right here. This shade is specifically called Glitzy, and I want to place it all over the lid. I'm going to dampen it though, just so we prevent fallout. This is a Morphe M166 flat synthetic brush. Okay, here I go. Oh yes. Look how pretty that is. Seriously, guys, this is so pretty. And I'm just packing and pushing it on. The color is dampened, so you're going to get the max pigment and the least amount of fallout whenever you dampen a shade. Regardless of how good or bad or pigmented a shimmer is, I pretty much always dampen it. It's just more of a controlled product on your brush whenever you do that. I am really packing it on. That looks so pretty. And then a little bit of fallout right through here, which I'm just going to take this little Eco Tools brush. I'm just going to dust that right off. Like that. Now I'm going to mix our two brown shades that we used together, and I'm going to blend them on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to add some mascara. I picked up this new one called Uncensored from CoverGirl. So let's try it out. They also had it in waterproof. Oh, look at the brush. Look at the brush. It has like tons of product on it. But they also had it in waterproof. So let's see what happens to my lashes. I like the mascara, but I want to make one note about it. It's like the bristles on it are so fine and tiny and thin. They don't comb through your lashes very well. You gotta kind of dig them through the lashes. I don't know, their bristles are a little more coarse, so they kind of like comb through, separate, and lift your lashes, whereas these I'm having to like really dig them in there. It's not the end of the world or anything, just wanted to let you know what's going on. Okay, so believe it or not, are you ready for this announcement? I'm not gonna put on false lashes today. I mean, I'm debating it. I'm like, should I? I have some pulled out, but I'm kind of liking the way this looks. So I'm going to put a little bit of that lighter shimmery shade in the inner corner of my eye, and I'm also going to tap that brow bone a little bit. For lips, I have the Maybelline Color Stay Ink Crayon. This one is in the shade. I don't even know what shade you are, ma'am. Cool. I don't think it says. Am I crazy? Wow, that's really pigmented. Okay, let's go for it. And then from NYX, lastly, I bought Candy Slick Glowy Lip Color. This one's in the shade Sugar Coated Kiss. Oh, this is interesting. It's really pretty. I like the color a lot. Lips do look kind of sugar coated, okay? It's like a lacquer. That's really pretty. And then to complete the look, I'm going to go in with my Rose Setting Spray from Wet n Wild. Smells like roses. I can't find my little fan. I'm so sad. Okay, guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? I think the skin makeup looks amazing. I would just be careful when buying your shade with the new CoverGirl situation and know that the foundation is very sheer. And then the mascara, the wand was a little tricky, so I didn't love that, but everything else I truly think I loved, and I really love the Eco Tools brushes. They turned out to be really good. I think I'll definitely be using them again. I hope you guys like this look. It's a little different for me, no false lashes and just super light and airy instead of using so many shades and a cut crease and all that. I just figured, you know, there's some people out there that want to do a softer, simpler look. I really like the eyeshadow palette. It worked out very well, so I was really excited about that. So we had a lot of wins in this video. Oh, and I did like this serum. It was really nice. I don't know if I'll use it underneath my foundation again because that could have been the culprit to it being just a little bit patchy. I'm not sure though, but I will use it just for skincare. It was really nice feeling. Had like a cooling sensation to it. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you all so much for being here and watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn your notifications on so you'll be the first to know when I upload a video. I love you guys to death, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys!